So this is a 96 F-150. What horsepower and torque numbers are we talking here?
200 horse. I have no idea on the torque.
Nothing.
220 or something.
No way it's as much as your old inline 6 that you used to have. The inline 6 you had probably had a lot more torque.
Yeah.
Damn. It's fast.
Not really.
So as you can see, this is a single cab. It's got the 8-foot long bed, and it's got such a lavish interior here for its year. And it's also a very fast truck. There's completely zero problems with this truck, and that is why Mike is going to be getting modifications for it, because, well, it's really structurally unsound.
Funny.
What sucks is that at our high school, not many people drive trucks like when we went there, our senior year especially, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Kind of sucks. See ya. So one of the things that we can agree on is that if a truck is single cab and it has a crew cab bed, which is about 4 feet, 4 or 5 inches, oh my, 4 or 5 feet, then it's just completely awful. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
So aren't you happy that you have an 8-foot bed?
Yep. Remember, Chuck, you gotta get a shot of that. That looks way better.
Nice. So we gotta walk across it, man.
Yeah, fuck that.
Do some ice fishing as well.
I don't know if it's that. I don't think it's that thick, dude.
But this is your favorite city, dude. The city of Harrisburg. You want to live inner city Harrisburg. You said it yesterday.
It's such a beautiful city.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
I mean, it's not a bad looking city, but it's a still shitty city.
But you love the residents.
Nope.
Especially on McClay Street.
Ooh, pretty ghetto, bro.
So what if you do meet the woman of your dreams and they start playing that R&B music while you when you get home like late at night after you're already been drinking?
I'd probably, if I was drinking, I'd probably get really mad and leave, dude. What the fuck is this? Oh shit.
Oh
no.
What the heck, dude? This is why we hate Harrisburg.
Dude, there's always shit down on Cambridge Street.
Well, at this point, I'm just gonna have to leave all the swearing in the video. Ooh, look at
You should know that whenever you make videos to me that they're not gonna be clean. There's gonna be lots of profanity.
Well, you also listen to clean music, so it doesn't make any sense.
Oh, really?
Oh,
You want me to play something that's not.
That car is still there, the one with the red rims.
Yo, check out that Nova, bro.
Nice. But I'm saying that red rim car is disgust.
Oh, God.
I saw someone driving around the roads, and whenever they went over a bump, it just kept going up and down like it was on some bed springs or something. The suspension is horrible on it. Funny how your car actually does do that, but yeah, I can smell the exhaust now. It blows the exhaust in here.
It's because I have an exhaust leak in the...
So I'm thinking of this. What if, yeah, what I'm saying, what if heat, instead of the heaters, how they have it set up, they just blew exhaust into people's cabs for warmth and heat?
Just kill them.
Well, that's, people need to man up.
I mean, that's what I have to go through. That's why I have to leave the window cracked so I don't die.
Is that a Raptor?
What?
Yep.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on? Oh.
It's the old one, I think.
Yeah. All right, play the song. Yeah, you sure really mellowed out, Mike. Good song. Mother.
Hey.
Alright, we finally made it here. We're gonna head in, so I'll catch you inside. It's gonna be hectic, don't you think?
Not today, probably. A little more than yesterday, though.
Alright, we'll check in with you in a second. More like 24 out. All right, guys, so we decided to switch lots and we see this amazing Silverado here. Mike has some strong opinions about it. What do you have to say about this white lifted Silverado?
I mean, it's pretty cool looking. If the wheels were different, I would like it better.
I think it's a perfect wheel design. I love that design. I might actually go with it, but obviously I would need to go with the deep dish, probably 20x12s or 22x12s, 22x14s.
Disgusting.
And of course, I would only go with the newest light bars. I would not go with those old RC ones. Those are for the older trucks, but this truck looks good with the new ones.
Dude, all new truck designs, like when people do that SEMA stuff, it all looks terrible. It looks like garbage, dude.
This is that's not at that level, dude. This is
I know,
in between.
I'm just saying, like, I don't even like, all modern wheels, dude, I don't like them. Like, those, like, fuel wheels and, like, whatever the hell other...
So you don't like Moser's truck? 16-inch fuel wheels.
What, his dad's?
His dad's, yeah.
Not really. No, it needs to have the classic wheels, dude.
So Steelies.
Yeah.
So let's go take a look. Sorry about the wind, guys, but oh my gosh, this truck is sick. Look at that, man. 4-wheel drive Pro Edition. Let's see what we're rolling here. 35 12.5 R20. Looks perfect. Gosh, man. Even though it's a gas, not a D-Max, it still looks so good. And this is definitely one of the brand new ones. Yo! It's actually a 35 12.5 20-inch rims, and you said they looked like a good size. See, dude? They're 20s, and they look good.
Dude, you're calling me out on camera.
Dude, you said something else. And here's Mike's truck. Still a nice truck, even though there is some issues, but Mike is planning on doing a lot of mods. So finally made it here to the rodeo. Mike, do you have anything to say about this? Did it start yet? Oh yeah, well actually it's higher down there, right? Under the Holland sign. So how's been your morning this evening?
How's been your morning this evening?
Yeah. Good. Dude, look how open this is.
Very large.
So this is called the Cummins Arena.
Why is that?
Diesel power. Look at that flag, dude. That's huge. That's how it's done, man.
Change the light bulb ones.
Turn more lights to it. There's the staircase. All right, see ya. Where do you think you're going?
Where are you doing that?
Oh, wait, this isn't even...
Well, whatever. It's
Oh. Just seems scary going up this way. Exploration of an abandoned arena.
Dude, we're eating I'm eating a pretzel in this dirty ass, dusty arena.
Holy crap, this is crazy. It's dropped so fast. This is kind of dizzy. It's how
Quickly it goes down.
far it drops. Yeah.
Why is the camera still
This is cool. Is it better? So I've got some Subway here, just gonna eat it up. Long day on the job.
Wait, so this is going on your channel about your trucks?
What?
Wait, what?
What happened?
What?
Just tell the story again.
Oh, about how I put a dip in here for my sister's graduation.
Yeah.
And then I was saying, like, what are they gonna do? Like, give me an ISS or whatever? And you're like,
Because you did go to the school at one point.
yeah. And then you're like, what is she like? She was like, yeah, I'm gonna give you ISS. And then like, I was like, oh, I fucked it up. The Georgian English knows. Dude, Dude, you're more focused on making.
Well, I guess I better stretch out the legs for this one.
Oh, really?
Gotcha, dude. So I heard you drive a. So I heard you put power stroke dodging on your F-150. What the heck? Restart that.